Hello, I'm Wendy.
I'm Stacy.
Our company name is CQKey Technology. We are happy to be invited here today to introduce you our Tuya Smart Lock and Access Control products. Our company CQKey was established 9 years ago, and we are top 3 access control manufacturer in China. And we are first factory integrated with Tuya access control solution.
Yes, and we have a 2,000 square meter factory area. So far, we have 2 production lines, and our products are exporting to more than 100 countries all over the world. And we have at least 1 new product launched in the market per month. And this picture just showing our part of our co-workers. Until now, we have more than 40 staff.
Yes. Our main markets are Europe and South America. Now we are cooperating with many famous brands worldwide, such as Fermax from Spain, Asabroi from France, AGL from Brazil, and many other famous brands worldwide.
Yes. Next, we will introduce you our product range.
Yes.
Yeah. Firstly, it's our smart door lock. Yeah, we have 3 models for the smart door lock. First is our D100-VT. It's the door lock with handle, and it's with fingerprint and password.
Right.
Yeah, and this product is ready for the market. Yeah. Yeah, and another 2 type of our smart door lock is our D200-VT and D300-VT. They will be ready soon.
Yes,
yeah.
Right.
And next is our smart video intercom access. It's integrated with Tuya Wi-Fi module. Yeah, it's our newest product.
Right.
Yeah, it's with the camera and speaker, so the homeowner can see the picture of the visitor and also talk to him.
Right.
Yeah, and the vControl 1 smart intercom access will be ready by end of the month.
Right.
Next is our Wi-Fi access. It's also integrated with Tuya Wi-Fi module. Yeah, we have 4 models for the Wi-Fi version. Yeah, 2 of them are touch keypad with fingerprint, and another 2 of them are with doorbell.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. We can show some products here. They are all touch keypads and metal housing.
Yeah, with the tempered glass plate.
Right. They are all fully ported to be outdoor use. IP66 waterproof.
Yes.
Yeah. This is the white one with doorbell.
Yes.
And this is the white one with fingerprint.
Yeah, with the fingerprint sensor.
And this is the slim one with doorbell.
Yes.
Doorbell here. And this is the slim one with fingerprint. We will show you in details later on. Okay, then we go to our another product range, Bluetooth access control. We have many models in this range, like more than 10 models.
Yeah.
The first is our mini series. They are round shape, metal housing, and they have 3 models. This one is RFID only.
Yeah, we have the samples here.
Yeah, you can see here the white box, and the size is very mini.
Yes.
And this one is pin code with RFID. Here, this one. I will show in detail later. And The third one is fingerprint and RFID. This one here. This is the 3 models of mini access series.
Yeah.
And then we go to next one. These 2 are metal housing with fingerprint.
Yeah.
We can show you some samples here. This is the white one with fingerprint.
Yeah. Here is the fingerprint sensor.
With mechanical keys.
Yes.
And this is the slim one.
Yeah.
With fingerprint here. They're always Bluetooth.
Yeah, they are 4K button metal one.
Yes. And this one is embedded design, also integrated with Tuya Bluetooth module.
Yeah.
This is the sample.
Yeah.
You can see here they are metal housing, and it's embedded design, and it is fully ported to be waterproof.
Yeah. It's suitable for outdoor use.
Right.
Yeah.
Then we also have other models in this Bluetooth access. It's our H series.
Yeah.
They also have 4 housings, 2 of them with fingerprint.
Yes.
Yeah, the white one. And also this one.
Slim one.
Yeah, the slim one with fingerprint.
Yes. It's the capacitive fingerprint sensor.
Right. And the other 2 are with doorbell.
Yes.
Yeah.
They are also the white version and slim version.
Right. Doorbell. Doorbell here. So this is the brief introduction of our product range.
Yes.
And next we will go to the detailed introduction.
Yeah. Firstly, we will introduce you our Bluetooth smart door lock. Yeah. As you can see, it's the door lock with door handle. Yeah. And now we have 4 colors for option. Yeah. They are black, gray, silver, and golden.
Right.
Yeah. And also, as you can see, it's with the mechanical key for emergency situation. Yeah. And also, it's with the USB port.
Right.
For emergency power when the battery is dead.
Yes.
Yes. And now we will show you how to register the fingerprint on the lock.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very simple.
Right.
First, you just need to press the start key and master code and pound key.
Yes.
Then you just press 1. Input your fingerprint 3 times. Okay, now you can access the door lock with your fingerprint. So the lock open.
Right. The operations are very easy.
Yes, and you can also open the lock with the mechanical key.
Right.
Yeah, so the door opened.
The power of this lock
Yes,
is 4 pieces batteries.
Yeah, so and the battery life can be 6 months based on 30 times a day.
Yes, right.
Yeah, and as we mentioned just now, this lock is also integrated with Tuya Bluetooth module. Right. So it can open the door lock with the Tuya app.
Right.
Yes. You just need to press the button so the door lock will be open. And the door lock opened. And you can also register users by the app,
Right.
like the password and the fingerprint.
It also supports temporary code.
Yeah, it also support the temporary code. The temporary code will be one-time code or time-limited code.
Yes.
Okay, let me show you. See?
Set a password.
Yes.
And set the start time and end time.
And it also can be repeated from every Monday to every Friday. Yes.
You can set.
Yeah.
So the password, temporary password is 121212. So
yes.
we try this password. Yeah, and see what will happen. So this temporary code opens lock.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also you can check the opening history in the app.
Yes.
See? So you can see who and when opened the door.
Yes, right.
Okay, this is our Tuya Bluetooth smart lock, and it's ready for the market.
Yeah, and you can also use a gateway with it, so can remotely open the lock.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. This is the connection.
And this lock also includes the lock body.
Yes. This lock body is included in the package.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Just now, Stacy introduced to you our smart door lock, D100-BT, with it is a smart lock with Tuya Bluetooth.
Yeah.
And now I would like to introduce you our access control products. Firstly, I would like to ask what is a standalone access control system? You can see from the picture, there is an access control, a lock, a power supply, and an exit button. The access control is installed outside of the door. Yeah. It connects with lock and power supply. The exit button is installed inside of the door. Yeah. So these four products become a standalone access control system. This standalone access control system is suitable for office, factory, bank, prison, and so on.
Yes.
Yeah. So our first access control products we would like to introduce you is our vControl 1. It is a smart video intercom access control with Tuya Wi-Fi module. So besides the traditional function, the function of the traditional access control, it has a camera and also speaker. So if you have a visitor, you can see the picture of the visitor and also talk to them. Yeah, these are some features of this product. You can see it supports Tuya app. It has 2 MPX resolution and with 140-degree horizontal wide angle. Yes. And also it supports TF card and can also with monitoring detection. Yeah. Now we can show you the app. Yeah.
Yes.
You can see the product here. This is doorbell. When you press the doorbell, your mobile app will receive a notification.
Yes.
Yeah. So press the button.
Okay, press the button.
Yeah, the doorbell. You see, the app will show like this, and you press the button. Then it will show the video. Yeah, and we can talk.
Hi, Wendy.
Hello. Who's there?
Stacy here. Can you please open the door?
Okay. Okay, so the door just opened. Yeah. So the door just opened. Okay.
Yeah, it also supports the playback. Yes, okay, you can check the history of the visitors.
Yeah, need with a TF cards inside, so you can check. Yeah.
Next, we will introduce you our Wi-Fi access control.
Yes.
Yeah, it is with the touch keypad and tempered glass plate, and also it's full metal. Yeah, it's also integrated with Tuya Wi-Fi module. Yeah, and the Wi-Fi access serials includes 4 models.
Right.
Yeah, there are 2 of them are with fingerprint.
Right.
And another 2 of them are with doorbell. Yeah, we will show you our slim design, the HF3-Wi-Fi. Yeah. This keypad, this metal keypad, also supports the Tuya app. So you can access the door with the Tuya app remotely wherever you are. Yeah, and you can also register users by the Tuya app.
Yes.
Yes. For example, the add fingerprint, add password, and add card. Yeah. Now we will show you how to add fingerprint by the app.
Yeah. First, we can show how to open the lock.
Yeah. Yeah. First, you just need to press the button. Yeah, and the door opened.
So it's very convenient whenever you are.
Yes.
As long as you can access the internet, then you can open it remotely.
Right. And you can also register users in the app. For example, we will add a fingerprint user.
Yeah.
We click Start Add. Then the user needs to press his fingerprint 3 times.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Then this fingerprint is added successfully.
Yeah, this fingerprint added successfully. So the user can access this device by his fingerprint.
Yes. You see?
So the door opened.
Right.
Yeah. And also in the app, you can also set the temporary passcode for the visitors. They are one-time code or a period code.
Right.
Yeah. You can also set the time restrictions for the visitors. For example, you grant access for him from every Monday to every Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Yeah.
Okay, we add a passcode 232323.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so this password is added successfully.
Yes, now we will try with this passcode.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and also this device is with the doorbell.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, when you press the doorbell on the device,
Mm-hmm.
your app will receive the doorbell call notification.
Yeah, I will press the doorbell now. See, there is a notification in the app. Mm-hmm.
So when you click the notification, you can check who is press the doorbell.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And then you can open the lock for him.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And also you can check the opening history in the app.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's our Wi-Fi access.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, HF3-Wi-Fi.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so next we will introduce you our Bluetooth access control. They are with built-in Tuya Bluetooth module.
Yes.
And it includes many models. Firstly, we will introduce our mini series.
Mm-hmm.
It includes 3 models. Yeah, they are mini size. You can see the size here, very small.
Yes.
And the 3 models are RFID, pin code and RFID, or fingerprint and RFID.
Yeah.
And we will show you the pin code and RFID in detail. It's our K7-BT.
Yes.
See the product here.
Yeah. It's very small and mini.
Yes, and it's fully ported to be waterproof and can be an ideal choice for outdoor use.
Yes.
Yeah. So firstly, I will show you the operations on the device itself. You can see that it's very simple.
Yes.
So firstly, we enter into the master programming mode.
Yeah.
Enter the master code. Star key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pound key. Then press 1. Then press the pin code 5, 6, 5, 6. Pound key. Then this pin code is added successfully.
Yeah.
And we can also add the card. Yeah, just swipe the card. Yeah. Then this card is also added. Then we exit the programming mode. You can see the card. Yeah. The green LED turns on.
So the door opened.
Yes. And yeah. Mm-hmm. And I also try the pin code 5656. See, it's also valid.
Yeah, the password length can be 4 to 6 digits.
Yes, right.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. And it also can support 10 visitor users.
Yes.
Yeah. So you can set the visitor code or card from 1 to 10 times use. So after 1 or 10 times use, then this card or pin code becomes invalid.
Yeah, it's very convenient, especially for the postman.
Yes, right. If you are not home and you have a delivery,
yes,
then they can use this visitor code to open your garage and put the package.
Yeah.
Yes, right. So this is the main features of the hardware. And now we will introduce you the features of the app.
Yes. Yeah. You can press the button to open the device.
Yes, right.
See? So the lock opened.
Right. And it can also use the app to add the pin code card users.
Yeah.
So we can show. Yeah.
here, so you can add card or password users.
Right.
Yeah, so let's show you how to add a card user.
Okay.
Yeah, just click the card management and add card.
Yeah.
Okay, start capturing. Just read card.
Yeah, there is a beep on the device, then read the card.
So the card is added successfully.
Right. So we try this card.
Yes. Then the door lock opened.
Yes, right. And you can also check the open history of these users.
Yes.
Yeah.
There are also opening records.
Yes, right.
Yeah, so that's all for our mini series.
Yes, just we just introduced you the K7-BT. So now let's introduce you our H series. For our H series, we have also many models. There are wide one and a slim one with fingerprint.
Yes, you can
touch
see.
keypad. Yeah.
Wide one with fingerprint sensor.
Yeah. And we also have it for reading EM card only.
Yes.
Or EM card and the MiFi card at the same time.
Yes.
Yeah. And the other products of H series is always doorbell.
Yeah, you can see here is a doorbell
and touch keypad.
Yes. It's also fully ported for outdoor use.
Yes, right. And also have EM card version or EM and the MiFi card version.
Yes.
So and we will show you the HF3-BT in detail.
Yeah.
This is the sample here. It's a touch keypad with fingerprint and also RFID reader.
Yes.
Yeah. The operations on the hardware is also very simple. So we press the start key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the master code. Then press pound key and press 1 to add the users. So for fingerprint, you need to add 3 times.
Yes.
Yeah. Press 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And also can add the card. Yeah, this is the card. And also the pin code. 5656. So the operations are done for programming users.
Yeah.
Very quickly. You can see the fingerprint. See the opens. Yeah, and also the card tag. Yeah.
Yeah, you can also set the relay time for access.
Right. The default relay time is 5 seconds.
Yes.
You can set it from 0 to 99 seconds.
Yes.
Yeah. And the 566 passcode. Okay. So this is these are the operations on the hardware.
Yeah.
And we will also show you the app. Yeah. This is the app.
Yeah. You can also access the lock on the app. Just press this button. See the device opened.
Temporary code.
This device can also support the temporary code. Yeah, you can also set the code for one time or for a period of time.
Yes. This is pure password.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
You can set the password repeatedly. Yeah, from every Monday to every Friday.
Yes, and from 8 p.m.
Yeah, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Yes.
Okay, we set a password 2323 and 23. Okay, let's check the password on the device.
Okay. 232323.
Yeah. So the device opened.
We can also show how to add the fingerprint users in the app.
Yes.
Yeah.
You also need to press your fingerprint 3 times. 1. Yeah, so the fingerprint added successfully.
Right.
So the door lock opened.
Yes.
And you can also check the unlocking records on the app.
Yeah.
See? To check through what kind of methods the door opened. For example, by fingerprint or by card or by password.
Yes.
Okay, so that's all for our Bluetooth access control.
Yes. This shows the app features.
Yes, it's also support the gateway for remotely open if needed.
Yes. So that's all for our today's introduction.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are happy to be invited here, and our company CQ is top 3 access control manufacturer, and we are first factory integrated with Tuya access control solution.
Yeah. If you are interested in our products, you can feel free to contact us.
Yes. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.